Good evening, everyone. Welcome to one more book launch event. My name is Apurva Bhatia, the host for today on behalf of Adyan Books. आशा करती हूँ आपको हमारे न्यू बुक्स के ऑथर्स से मिलना और उन्हें जानना पसंद आ रहा होगा। कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए। आज हम जिस बुक के बारे में बात करेंगे उस बुक का नाम है फ्री हिट जर्नी बियॉन्ड बाउंड्रीज। इस बुक की ऑथर है मिस धान्या नायर। Dhanya Nair is an HR professional residing in Delhi. She completed her schooling in Coimbatore and Chennai before pursuing her graduation in Delhi. With a rich background shaped by the cultural diversity of these cities, Dhanya brings a unique perspective to her writing. Her passion for creativity transcends her professional life, fueling her desire to explore various artistic outlets. Writing, however, holds a special place in her heart. Dhanya believes that storytelling is a powerful tool that can connect people, evoke emotions, and inspire change. Her love for writing began at a very young age and has grown into a profound dedication to craving narratives that are both engaging and thought provoking. In her free time, Dhanya enjoys immersing herself in books, exploring new places, and experimenting with different forms of art. She draws inspiration from everyday life, weaving her experiences and observations into the fabric of her stories. Her work often reflects her keen understanding of human nature and her ability to capture the essence of her characters, emotions, and journeys. Dhanya's goal is to create stories that resonate with readers, providing them with a sense of connection and a glimpse into the lives of her characters. She is always eager to engage with her audience and values the feedback and support from her readers. आइए अब हम इनकी बुक के बारे में कुछ जानते हैं। दिस बुक, द टाइटल ऑफ द बुक इज फ्री हिट जर्नी बियॉन्ड बाउंड्रीज। Free Hit is a heartwarming tale that chronicles the lives of five inseparable friends Veer, Chetna, Rudra, Jennifer, and Subbu. United by a bond that defies time and distance, their journey is marked by shared joys, challenges, and unforgettable moments that shape their lives. The story begins in the familiar streets of Coimbatore, where the friends navigate the everyday struggles and triumphs of growing up. From playful battles in their favorite park to the worries and celebrations that come with birthdays, their camaraderies in the bedrock of their adventures. As they face trials and navigate whispers of hope, they embark on daring escapes the test of the limits of their friendship. Operation Friendship highlights their resolve to support each other while shifting tides in their lives only strengthen their unbreakable bonds. The story comes full circle as they realize that their journey, rolled with endings and new beginnings, is far from over. Their shared love for cricket not only inspires the title but also their social media page Free Hit when the chronicles their adventures and celebrate their freedom. So let's welcome Dhanya Nair.
Thank you, Apurva. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
हाय मैम, कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया। आप कैसे हो?
मैं भी बिल्कुल बढ़िया हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर आस्किंग। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशंस, आपकी बुक लाइव हो गई है amazon पे। तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। ऐसा लग रहा है ऐसा लग नहीं रहा, ऐसा है कि बचपन का सपना पूरा हो चुका है। आई होप कि बस ये शुरुआत हो। आगे जाके बहुत और भी इंस्पिरेशन मिले। तरक्की तो इज पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस, बट इंस्पिरेशन मिले। एंड ऑफ कोर्स थैंक यू टू यू गाइज फॉर helping me fulfill my dream of having my book published, and having my voice reach so many people. It's definitely a good way to impact people in a positive way.
दैट्स ग्रेट। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर बुक सो दैट जो हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं वो आपके और आपकी बुक के बारे में और अच्छे से जान पाए, बिकॉज आई बिलीव यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन, दो आई ट्राई
Yeah.
टू गिव अ ब्रीफ अबाउट यू एंड योर
Oh,
बुक।
you did a great job.
थैंक यू, बट आई बिलीव डिटेल में हमारे व्यूअर्स को आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ
Uh-huh.
ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू नो मोर अबाउट लाइक व्हाट डू यू डू, सो हाउ वाज योर चाइल्डहुड, डिड यू रीड बुक्स?
Yeah, I did love books. My earliest memories of books are Enid Blyton ki books, Tinkle, though they're not technically books, but wow, it has stories at the end of the day. The Tinkle, Champak, at least मेरे उम्र के बच्चे जो हो या अभी adults जो हैं बच्चे जब थे तो ये हमने बहुत पढ़ा है. We've read Tinkle, we've read Enid Blyton, सीक्रेट सेवन, फेमस फाइव, ये सब पढ़ के शुरुआत हुई. देन वेंट इनटू मिस्ट्री लाइक शर्लॉक होम्स. आई यूज्ड टू लव शर्लॉक होम्स बुक्स, स्टिल डू इन फैक्ट. एंड वहां से द इंटरेस्ट ग्रू टू जस्ट कीप रीडिंग एंड अंडरस्टूड कि कहानियां कैसी होती हैं. फिर देखने लगे कि आसपास की दुनिया में भी इतनी सारी इंटरेस्टिंग कहानियां हैं. सबकी लाइफ में कहानियां होती है, हम सबकी लाइफ में होती है. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सिनारियो आल्सो कि बहुत सारी कहानियां मिलके एक इंस्पिरेशन मिला फ्री हिट का. बट मैं बचपन का जिक्र इसलिए किया क्योंकि इट्स मोर अबाउट our memories of childhood. This particular book, it's about friendship, it is about adventure, it is about a lot of purity, it's about a little free spiritness. What happens is जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं it's more की रिस्क टेकिंग एबिलिटी थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है. बट बचपन में अलग दुनिया होती है and all of us can relate to that. So that's what this particular book is. तो लाइफ ऑब्वियसली मेरी भी बहुत बदल गई है जहाँ पे बचपन में आई यूज्ड टू बी अ रीडर, आई यूज्ड टू बी interested in becoming. I wanted to be a scientist बचपन में, but at the same time there were so many different things. So scientist तो नहीं, but हाँ अपना प्रोफेशन मुझे फिर भी अच्छा लगता है. I'm in the HR profession. एंड इस प्रोफेशन की वजह से मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों से बातचीत करने का मौका मिलता है. I speak to many, many different people every single day, and I hear their stories as well, and that helps me, understand people better. And of course, none of what is inside this book, of course, ye sara kuch is about your childhood. So this is not nothing connected with my current work or anything like that. But it's just happiness. It's pure happiness. It's pure love. It's pure bond of friendship. And of course, cricket is a essential part of everyone's life in India, I guess. कहीं ना कहीं connected तो है ही. आई एम अ क्रिकेट फैन ऑफ कोर्स, बचपन से हूँ और अभी तक हूँ. I just was watching the test match just before coming into this interview as well. So I am a big cricket fan. So obviously it had to all tie in together. So I had to have elements of cricket. I had to have elements of friendship, things that are most profound in my life, and I'm quite sure profound in a lot of people's lives as well.
Yeah, definitely. And just like you are an HR, so you are the most important person in an organization, I feel, where everyone can come and they can talk to you about anything. So I believe
Yeah,
you are the most important person for your
I hope so. I
organization.
hope so.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am, you are. So I'm sure that you are inspired by a lot of things in your life, which I'm sure inspired you mostly to write this book. So my next question to you is, though you have already
Mm.
answered it, but I would like to know
Mm.
more crisp and brief, like who inspired you and what inspired you to write this particular book itself? Like any particular incidents of your life or any journey, anything with your friends, any particular context which inspired you to write this particular book?
All my friends, I would say, is what inspired me. I can't really point it to any one person because um, बड़े होते वक्त बहुत सारे दोस्त मिलते हैं and they all make a lot of impact in your life. So I'm grateful to each one of them. There are a lot of adventures I've shared with, some of them more than others, of course. हम सबकी life में है. When we think back, we have these friends from childhood, from our school days friends, and you think back to all of them it's so lovingly, and you just think about all these great memories from, school जाते वक्त, then colony में, all of that. There's these memories that are there, uh, and similar memories I have as well. I have the exact similar memories. I have friends who've supported me in each step of my life. Maybe it's not the same friend, but अलग अलग दोस्त मिले हैं अलग अलग time पे who have given a lot of support. So in a way, this is an ode to my friends also. It's a thank you note to all of them for standing by me, my entire life, and helping me grow and become the person that I am. And I should thank my friends as well for the fact that I got this encouragement to write from them. वरना आसान नहीं है, with a full time job to write. It's definitely not difficult, but I'm so grateful कि जब जब थोड़ा सा आलसपन भी आता है कि नहीं यार आज तो नहीं हो पाएगा, I've got that push from from friends saying that नहीं यार लिखो, that's something you wanted to do, go ahead. So I've got that push from them. So that's all of it is helped me, inspired me, and created the story of free head. So while family is obviously family comes above everything else, and family has definitely shaped a lot of my life. But this particular one, I would more say it's friends involved.
Great. So, can you tell us a bit about the main characters in this book, Free Hit?
Yeah, so very interesting characters. All there are friends that are there, who each of them have their own own personality. एक बहुत friendly है, एक outgoing है. One is very very sporty. So there's a mix of girls, boys, all of them in this book. And I will leave it to you guys to read and tell, find the characters more interesting or not. But I don't have, so मेरी कैरेक्टर्स किसी से इंस्पायर नहीं हुए हैं. while they may have elements of friends I've met in life and elements of me also as a person. Like I said, I like cricket, so maybe if I've got somebody like a Jennifer who's interested in cricket, maybe छोटा सा हिस्सा है that may be a part of me, but the entire character is more figment of imagination. Somebody just I just felt that अच्छा ऐसा इंसान होता तो कैसे होता, and I started thinking in that direction and putting them together. But it was basically each person with different characters, but still they could be good friends. They formed a good friendship, and of course, taking the entire thing forward in terms of their friendship. That's what I would say is a speciality about this particular book. So their characters is the real uh, core of the book. While I can always say that yes, in terms of a storyline, it's about friendship and क्रिकेट, बट मेरे कैरेक्टर्स नहीं होते तो फिर बुक ही कहाँ है. तो आई डोंट हैव एनी स्पेशल साइड इफेक्ट्स और VFX in in my books. I don't have a lot of imaginary material in my books. My book is a very very simple one. Just though I'm a big time, I love imagination. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि all your special out of the world books and out of the world stories मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. But in this particular one, the intent was to keep it very relatable to simple times, simple life, and that's what my characters are also. They are not very डिफिकल्ट कैरेक्टर्स. बहुत ही आसान लोग हैं, आपको इधर उधर दिखेंगे, बच्चों में बड़ों में ऐसे लोग मिल ही जाएंगे. एंड दैट्स व्हाट दिस इज अबाउट.
सो बेसिकली जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं आपकी बुक के, तो हम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि इनमें से कोई एक कैरेक्टर जो है वो आपको रिजेम्बल करता हो या आपने अपने आप को, धान्या को किसी कैरेक्टर में पोर्ट्रे किया हो.
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिकॉज ऑटोबायोग्राफी नहीं बनाना चाह रही थी मैं. कभी किसी दिन शायद, बट नहीं, मैं उनमें से जैसे नहीं हूँ. मैं काश मैं ऐसे होती, काश मैं ज्यादा एडवेंचरस होती, काश मैं ज्यादा आउटगोइंग होती. बट इन एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ा सा इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ, इवन दो माई जॉब इज लाइक दैट, मैं एक्चुअली में हूँ थोड़ा सा इंट्रोवर्ट। एंड मुझे अपनी दुनिया में रहना अच्छा लगता है, ऑफ कोर्स। तो काश मैं ऐसे होती, आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू बी अ लिटिल बिट मोर लाइक माई कैरेक्टर्स। बट वीर, चेतना, रुद्रा, जेनिफर, सुब्बू, इन जैसे ये अलग ही है।
सो आई थिंक तभी आप इतना इमेजिन करके आप उन कैरेक्टर्स को ला पाए अपनी बुक में। आप इमेजिन करके सोच पाएगी कि इस कैरेक्टर में आप क्या एलिमेंट्स डालोगे और व्हाट विल बी द स्टोरी विच विल बी
या,
रिवॉल्विंग ऑल दीज फ्रेंड्स, आई बिलीव।
राइट।
Great. So, ma'am, why did you choose friendship or cricket as the central theme of your book only? There could be any theme, which can revolve around friendship. So, why cricket and this friendship is the central theme of your book?
Uh, it's a very interesting question. Now, cricket and friendship is the backdrop of free hit. Free hit as a term itself means that कि वो एक मौका एक मौका जो मिलता है जिसमें आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, आपको पता है कि आप आउट नहीं होंगे। तो यू नो दैट दैट फ्रीडम, दैट लिटिल बिट ऑफ यू नो एक just taking a risk. That is what free hit is in its entire story. So it is Q as a character, Q as a theme. Well, because as I said, it is very closely, it is a very closely thing in anybody's lives. So especially in mine, like I've said earlier, that friendship is a theme that's constant in my life, and I'm sure in everybody else's life as well. It makes a huge impact. And cricket again is something that is teaches you a lot. Somewhere or the बहुत सारी दोस्तियां क्रिकेट फील्ड पे ही होती हैं, आज तक, एंड इट विल कंटिन्यू दैट लाइक दैट, एटलीस्ट इंडिया में तो चलते ही रहेगा ऐसे। सो लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप्स आर फॉर्म्ड ऑन द क्रिकेट फील्ड, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर लर्नड फ्रॉम क्रिकेट। आप बहुत सीखते हो क्रिकेट के रूल से, यू बिकम बेटर फ्रेंड्स, you become better people through any team sport. I'm not just going to say cricket, but through any team sport. But since out of all the sports out of there, out of maybe basketball, football, cricket, etc., cricket is of course something that is closest to me, and what I felt would be right as a theme in this particular book, and that's why I picked on this.
Okay, and how did you balance writing a book with your job in HR?
Mhm. That's a very good question. Not at all easy. Not at all easy. So it took a lot of dedication. In simple words, it just took a lot of dedication. Uh, it was just 1 hour a day, at least minimum, मतलब dedicated time निकाल के करना. So no matter what's happening in office, no matter what's happening at home, it was constant that I had to take out 1 hour every single day. And वो ऐसे बना रखा था मैंने. It was a discipline that needed to be maintained. And अच्छी बात है, if you ask me, because कहीं ना कहीं मैं भी बीच में मुझे लग रहा था कि am I getting too immersed in social media? Am I getting too immersed in YouTube videos, etc.? And so rather than that, I said, let me just pursue my passion. And instead of spending time on social media, I redirected that energy and writing this book. Like I said, it was not at all easy. It did take a lot of dedication and it took work. But I can tell you this, Apurva, that जब जब लिखती थी ना, कि शुरुआत बेशक या टाइम निकालना है, चलो करते हैं, निकाल के लिखते हैं, एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ द 1 hour, एंड आई वुड सिट बैक एंड रीड कि कितना लिखा है. I would be so proud. I would feel such a good feeling. I mean, I cannot explain कि how that feels. एक accomplishment है. Even though अगर एक पन्ना ही हो, it feels like such a big deal. It's very difficult to explain this to people. मतलब लोगों को लगेगा कि यार it's just one page at the end of the day. इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है? Yeah, that's true. It's just a page. But for some reason, when you sit and you look at that one page and you're like, oh yeah, I did it. I put in that energy, and this is something that came out of my imagination. This is a product of a lot of hard work. You feel very, very proud. And I'm sure any artistic person would feel that whether you're doing a painting, whether you're doing taking a photo, when you see the product of what you've done, it gives you that high, which is very difficult to explain into words. But yes, that happiness I got, and that was a driver along with, like I said, my friends who kept giving me that boost from time to time. कि लिखो, even if I had to, कभी कभार हो जाते हैं, you get out of touch. And then I got that boost from time to time that नहीं नहीं नहीं, finish it first, and then मस्ती करेंगे, जो कुछ करेंगे, खैर मस्ती वाली उम्र तो निकल गई अभी, but but in terms of just hanging out or anything like that, it was like, no, first you finish your book, get your dream fulfilled, and then we do whatever necessary after that. So yeah, so not the simple answer to the long response I gave you just now is it wasn't easy, but I'm very happy that I did it.
Okay. So any particular time आप जब लिखना प्रेफर करते थे, like early morning or late night or like what? Because I believe there must be a time जब आप उस जोन में आते हो राइटिंग के लिए, आप उन कैरेक्टर्स को थिंक कर पाते हो और तब आप अपनी स्टोरी, अपनी बुक को लिख। आई एम श्योर आपका भी कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर टाइम होगा जिसमें आप अपना 100% आउटकम दे के आप ये बुक कंप्लीट की होगी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, इनफैक्ट आई थिंक मैं आई एम नॉट अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन। मुझे सुबह सुबह थोड़ा सा ऐसे होता है कि यार जल्दी नहीं उठना, आलसी हूँ, बट दैट्स आल्सो समथिंग दैट आई एम वर्किंग ऑन वेरी हार्ड कि सुबह उठ के do the healthier things in life, like do yoga and meditation and everything like that. करती हूँ time to time, but at the end of the day I do feel that I can do better in the mid and the evening part of the day. Second part of the day is generally my energy high वाला zone. तो ऑफिस के बाद, मतलब ऑफिस का दिन खत्म हो गया, फिर थोड़ा सा takes 10-15 minutes after returning home to just get fresh, फिर जाके बैठती थी 1 घंटा to write. And because you've just come out from a full productive day of work, you are tired, but at the same time you have a lot of thoughts going on in your mind, so just has to take a few minutes to clear out those thoughts कि जो ऑफिस में हुआ वो भूल जाओ. And then it was still energy, my energy level was still high. It was not that my energy level was low. तो उसका फायदा उठाती थी कि वो एनर्जी तब हाई होता था, तो once I cleared my head of whatever happened in that particular day for the office, okay, where did I stop? Okay, let me start writing again, and then I would start writing again. तो वैसे करके होता था, and it was pretty interesting, that entire process. And I hope कि first and last time नहीं था. I hope that I will continue writing. Of course, I'm getting a lot of love from all of you guys already, for which I'm extremely grateful. And for that, I will definitely say that's inspiration for me to continue that process where I continue taking time out. So it is not just दिन का अपूर्वा, it's also weekends पे time. Whenever I get छुट्टियों पे, weekly offs पे, जब भी मौका मिलता है तब लिखती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज वरना तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि रोज एक एक घंटा करके भी करोगे. जब जब मौका मिलता है तब तब लिखती हूँ. And while I say that it becomes a little difficult, but it's आप एक बारी लिखना लिखना जो लग जाते हो, so once you start writing, it's a very immersive process, and like I said, you can feel very happy. So I write for that happiness as well, and for that shanti as well. एक अलग से सुकून मिलता है. So I like that writing. So that's why I will continue writing. Now, of course, I'm happy to receive everybody's love and encouraging me to continue in that writing process. And I hope so. I will, do everyone proud and just get even better and better and better. But in this one, I'm happy that the product has come out of a product of imagination and hard work. And of course, a big thanks to you guys who have continuously been helping me in this entire process. And now let's see how it's rest is all up to everyone here who's listening in.
So what message do you want readers to take away from Free Hit book?
A very interesting message it would be, and that is for resilience. कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, हारना नहीं है. Continue doing what you can. while of course enjoying life as well. That's another one as well. There's no point. So, pressures in life today are very different. So this book takes you back to very simpler time जहाँ पे इतना नहीं था. Obviously, as children and as in general in times as well. When we so Of course I've included elements of social media because of course it's a normal thing nowadays. Social media तो होना ही है. But it is about कि एक दोस्त है जो बीमार पड़ता है and still how things work out in favor. Nobody gave up, not his friend, not his friends, not a family. Nobody gave up on it, and eventually things worked out. Yes, it doesn't always work in our favor in life, but at the same time, the core idea is that yes, challenges come in life. Some of them we may not be able to overcome, but it's okay. But majority of them we can definitely overcome with just being very positive and being resilient. So the theme of the core messaging that I take away from this theme of friendship and cricket is, keep going, keep having fun, keep loving, keep being positive, but at the same time, be resilient and have a great positive attitude. You will definitely get success in life. So that's the outcome. So success may not be measured in different terms कि हाँ जीत ये है वो है, but in certain terms it is just about, like for example, the success of mine of launching the book. It's a big thing in my life. It is a big win in my life, and I hope everyone can experience such wins in their life as well.
So I'm sure it must be a great feeling, it's a feather in your cap that now you are a published author. I believe
Yes.
it's a great tag that you are a published author now.
Yes, absolutely. It's a big, big deal for me personally. Of course, for my family and friends as well, no doubt. A personal achievement in life because, who doesn't like to read a big, good book? And ever since I was a young girl, it was something that I really wanted to do, write stories. So the earliest story I can tell you is that school के टीचर को मैंने एक बुक पकड़ाया था, उनके ऊपर मैंने बनाया था छोटा सा, like I think 4 5 stories with drawings and everything like that. शायद तभी से इंटरेस्ट हमेशा था कि put out my thoughts and in form of stories and handed it over to people as a form of my love to others as well. So that's why this is a very big thing. It is nothing to do with fame, fortune. It is just a personal achievement. So I'm really, really grateful for it.
So, how did you develop the personalities of the character? Because I believe imagination भी हमारी एक लिमिट तक ही हम कुछ इमेजिन कर पाते हैं, बट आई बिलीव जब आप इतने सारे एक या दो कैरेक्टर्स की पर्सनालिटी डिफाइन करना फिर भी मुझे लगता है कुछ हद तक हम कर सकते हैं, बट इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स दैट टू डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज, और द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि कोई भी आपके रियल लाइफ में किसी को रिजेंबल नहीं कर रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज द कोर इमेजिनेशन। तो वो आपने
Yeah.
कैसे किया बेसिकली, इतनी सारी पर्सनालिटीज कैसे आप लेकर आए, आपने कैसे इमेजिन करा? कुछ तो स्पार्क, कुछ तो आइडिया इसके बिहाइंड आई एम श्योर होगा।
ऑब्जर्वेशन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि थैंक्स टू माय वर्क, थैंक्स टू माय प्रोफेशन और इतने सालों से जो देखते हुए आ रही हूँ, उससे बहुत कीनली ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ। मतलब छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, जैसे कि बचपन में ट्रेन की जर्नी बहुत किया करती थी। तो वी टू ट्रैवल ऑल द वे फ्रॉम कोयम्बतूर टू दिल्ली विच इज अ गुड 48 आवर्स जर्नी। 48 आवर्स आप क्या करें ट्रेन की बोगी में बैठे? लोगों को देखते हो कि क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं करते हैं। You will make your mental observation, mental notes. Because there's only so much you can do. Game थोड़ी देर खेल लिया, book थोड़ी देर पढ़ लिए. After that, you start observing people around you. Those observations, something as small as that, I'm telling you that, those observation powers that I had kind of helped me shape these characters. And while आपने सही बोला कि इनमें से कोई character ऐसा है नहीं जो फुली इंस्पायर्ड हो किसी से, लेकिन कुछ कुछ चीजें हैं हर मतलब दोस्तों से, फैमिली मेंबर से, कुछ कुछ एस्पेक्ट शायद हो इधर उधर जो मिलता जुलता हो। तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम राइटिंग अ स्टोरी एंड वीर कुछ कर रहा है, एंड उसी टाइम पे आई वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स हैव डन समथिंग, तो व्हिच आई फाउंड प्रीटी इंटरेस्टिंग। तो मुझे ऐसा मैं सोचने लग जाती कि वीर ऐसे सिचुएशन में ऐसा करता क्या। तो फिर उस हिसाब से देन आई स्टार्टेड डेवलपिंग द कैरेक्टर्स फर्दर, and it was pretty interesting because I had to create multiple characters, like you said, not just one. So I now, after working on this book, I'm telling you, Apurva, ki I really respect every person who writes, be it a normal movie writer, or author, poet. There's a lot of thought that each of them are doing in the background. There's a lot of energy effect. Matlab, hats off to the level of imagination that most of our people who are putting in their effort into to writing. So I can completely relate to it right now. That यार मेहनत का काम है, इतना आसान नहीं है. You need to put in a lot of energy behind every little thing that goes in. You have to think a lot, do a lot. You need to research also at times. ऐसा नहीं कि हर बारी it's gonna come to you just in imagination. There's a lot of research that goes into everything. So some of the places I've actually myself personally traveled to understand further about the places as well. कि जगह कैसी है क्या नहीं है. तो I had personally traveled to some of these places as well, which is a bonus for me, good for me that I was able to travel to these places and understand more about it as well. तो वहां पे जाके भी और चीजें ऑब्जर्व करी, हाव भाव देखी लोगों का एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड काइंड ऑफ help me understand. So if I wrote about a piece on Goa, I did travel to Goa actually. I did observe people there, see how things are working out there, and added included elements of that in the book. And yeah, that's how basically it inspired the entire characters.
Okay, and is there a personal connection you feel with any of the characters in this book?
I think all of them. Honest answer is all of them. There's they are like born out of my mind. Of course, the connection to zarur hai. But there are elements of each character. And, one who's sporty, one who's adventurous, one who's feisty. There are elements of each of the characters who वेरी क्लोज टू मी, एंड कैरेक्टर्स दैट मैं हूं ना हूं एटलीस्ट मुझे वैसे कैरेक्टर्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. मैं मेरे लाइफ में ऐसे लोग हैं जो फॉर एग्जांपल आई लव somebody who's into cricket. I mean, or I mean that I like somebody who's into cricket. I have a good friend who's into cricket. तो मुझे फिर ऐसा लगता है अरे ये इसका ये पार्ट ये ऐसा ही बिहेव करता है, तो वैसे करके. So it's pretty interesting that way that some of these characters that are there, and that's why I have a very close connection to the characters of the book and the book in general, of course.
So, how important is the role of relationship in this book, Free Hit, as per you?
Very. Like in our everyday lives, relationships is core to us. Forms all of our डेली बीइंग. रिलेशनशिप्स नहीं होते तो फिर हम कहाँ ही होते. But relationship in this case is the heartbeat of Free Hit, and it obviously the story delves around the depth of friendship, and कि कुछ भी हो जाए they still stuck together, they still showed that commitment to each other, they drew strength from each other, and the characters learn and they grow because of each other's support, and that connection is drawn obviously from people around us, and I think something that a lot of us, if not all, I'm assuming कि सब तो कर ही पाएंगे, everybody can relate to such sort of a connection of having close bonds, close ties with you, who give you such strength in life that you can overcome anything. So that's how important the role of relationship is in Free Hit.
Okay, and what challenges did you face while writing Free Hit, and how did you overcome them?
Um, Time was the biggest challenge, to be very honest with you, because there's a lot going on in life. Professional life is still in place. There's a lot that keeps happening personally as well. So time it was a challenge because of the fact that not just you have to take out time to write, and of course, like I said, it was a joy to write. Not that that was a challenge at all, but sometimes you did need time to do research for the characters, research for on maybe certain aspects of cricket, maybe certain locations, etc. You didn't. Anyone needs to take out that time to go to that extent. While it took a lot of conscious effort, but there are times you can't really help it. कि टाइम नहीं मिलता कुछ भी आप कोशिश कर लो टाइम नहीं मिलता कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता है so time was the greatest villain for me while writing this book. But ठीक है, I think I defeated that villain.
Yeah, true. So, did you have a particular audience in mind while writing this book?
Yeah, I did. When I started writing this book, my thought was to reach an audience which is more on the more in the uh, बच्चों की कैटेगरी मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि बहुत ही छोटे बच्चे बट ऑडियंस ग्राफ ऑफ 9 years to 12 years because I wanted to kind of impact them positively where they get read a simpler book they get interested in the concept of reading writing and then it encourages them more to pick up more books and read and this simply comes from my observation that life is just getting more difficult. There's a lot more competition, lot more pressures now considering technology. I know, especially for children these days, I can only imagine how difficult it has become. And I wanted to just form a method for them to escape their, whatever that they would have in their mind, and just read it, develop the interest of reading further, and pick up even, other books, more interesting reads. While, of course, this is a definitely extremely interesting read, but I'm talking about picking up classics and reading them, and that was the thought process that it started. शुरुआत ऐसे हुई, and then by the time the last cut of the book was done, by the time I read the last, after I finished the last chapter, the last page, I sat and read the entire thing. I was like, कोई भी पढ़ लेगा. It is
Hmm.
not that ये बच्चे ही हो या फिर teenagers हो. And the interesting thing is, I have a lot of people in the in the adult category who are actually reading the book. And they have been loving it. They have passed it on to their children as well. I got a lot of good feedback from the initial launch from younger readers as well. So I feel that what I had set out in my mind to do, um, hopefully at least a little portion of it is being achieved. So even if one person, even if one child is in getting impacted positively to get encouraged to read and stay happier in life, to be more resilient in life, I think that's it. My entire goal in life is probably achieved. So again, thank you to you guys, sincerely to um, helping me achieve, what I had set out on.
Okay. So, what does the title Free Hit signify in the context of your story?
So free hit is in connotation of cricket, of course. It symbolizes an opportunity to take bold chances without fear of any failure in life. It in this book, it reflects just the friends who approach life by seizing opportunities and just embracing challenges and learning from each other and learning from triumphs and setbacks as well. So the mantra is of just taking that one bold swing and just hitting it out of the park, how to hitting it out of the ground rather, um, is what this particular book symbolizes, and hence free hit. I think it. When I started writing the book, I did not have a name. It was unnamed, and then as the writing story went through, was happening, and I was watching a cricket match, and free hit came up, during the conversation of that match, and it just made me think कि अरे free hit interesting, वो तो कहीं ना कहीं इस बुक में तो connected है ही. So that's why that's how free hit came into being, and I hope it makes sense to all of you guys as well.
And what was your memorable moment from the writing this book? Like, I'm sure there must be a memorable moment of yours while you were in the writing process. So I am just
Mm.
curious to know that one moment which is the most memorable one for you.
Memorable तो देखो सारे ही हैं, but one particular one that I can talk about is about the character we being in hospital, and all his friends coming and supporting him in hospital. I think that one instance was for me, while writing it itself, it was pretty emotional. Reason being is that I could think back to my own personal journeys. खुद जब when times that I've been in the hospital, touch wood, not admitted, but I've had a family member in hospital, and how difficult it is for one to be in a hospital, and it the mental strength that it requires to recover in your health at that particular point in time. और जब दोस्त होते हैं who are next to you to encourage you and to give you that added strength, it helps you recover better. So that particular part of the story was pretty, it was emotional for me to even put it into words and put it out there. But I think that was the most memorable part of the writing process. While every day was an interesting one, every day was a memorable part. But I think this particular part of the book was something that I would most remember at the end of the day.
Great. So, do you see yourself writing another book in the future, possibly a sequel of Free Hit?
Yeah, I definitely think that there's a possibility of the sequel. Thank you to the few who've actually read it so far. Not few, thank you to the few come back to me who've read it so far and said that, is there going to be a sequel to this? And thank you to the young audience, especially, who's come back and asked me this question. Yes, when I was writing the book, I did think of, when I was towards the end of the book, I did think of ending the starting another story after ending the book. But the feedback that I have received, especially from my young readers, it is a question that has come to me, very specifically, asking me whether there will be a sequel. So yes, there was going to be a sequel. I hope I can, do it justice and do it even better in the sequel, because I'm getting a lot of love from all of you guys for it. So I hope to keep your love and respect intact and do even better in the sequel part of it as well. And simultaneously, I'm also having a thought. I'm also starting on a book on short stories. So that's also being put together. So in some time, in due time, that will also come out, and I hope to talk to you again, Apurva, on this as well, and launch those books as well.
डेफिनेटली. सो आई एम श्योर जो हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं काफी एक्साइटेड हो गए होंगे मेरे इस क्वेश्चन से और मैम के आंसर से दैट अ फ्री हिट का सीक्वल जरूर आने वाला है फ्यूचर में एंड आई बिलीव बहुत जल्दी आएगा. सो वी ऑल आर वेरी एक्साइटेड. So my last question, ma'am, any advice would you like to give to aspiring writers, especially those with full-time jobs? Because like you mentioned that time was your biggest constraint while writing this book. So I believe many authors, many writers must be having the same constraint, which is time constraint. So any advice from your side to them?
I would say priority. Prioritize everything in the day. I'm not saying कि इसको top priority दो या कम priority दो. That's up to you. You know your daily priority. But prioritize, compartmentalize your day in such a way that you do have time for everything, and you know that this task today needs to be action first. Let me first do that. फिर मैं ये करूँगा, etc. 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 So prioritize, compartmentalize. But this is your passion. So this deserves a lot of clarity and a lot of commitment. So what it does require is a routine. So like we discussed Apurva, that routine बना हुआ था इस चीज के कि ऑफिस से आती थी फिर बैठ जाती थी लिखने. तो एक रूटीन बनता है, तो रूटीन बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. तो रूटीन इज इम्पोर्टेंट, गिविंग इट दैट अमाउंट ऑफ importance. So writing is something that doesn't need to be done like in a sprint. दौड़ के नहीं करना है, धीरे धीरे करना है. Slowly, few lines a day, a page a day, but maintain the momentum. And once you maintain that momentum, it becomes a normal routine. It becomes like a part of your everyday life, and then you will find that it becomes very easy. शुरुआत में going to be a little difficult, but once you're able to put it together, create a routine, and then go about your daily life, and I'm telling you, it's not a great challenge at all. Then of course of course बीच में बहुत कुछ होंगे जिससे you will be pushed out of your routine, but have that rigor, come back to that routine again, and you will be able to accomplish your goal.
ग्रेट. सो व्यूअर्स, आई एम श्योर आप में से बहुत लोगों ने फ्री हिट पढ़ ली है. तो हम मैम की बुक का लिंक नीचे डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं. जिन्होंने पढ़ ली है प्लीज जाइए, रिव्यूज लिखिए, सजेशंस लिखिए, फीडबैक्स लिखिए बुक के लिए. और जिन्होंने नहीं रीड करी है प्लीज डोंट वेट, जल्दी से जाइए, लिंक से बुक को परचेज कीजिए और बुक को पढ़िए और अपने वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक्स और रिव्यूज बुक के लिए दीजिए. सो थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस फॉर दिस बुक लॉन्च
Thank
इवेंट. Thank you everyone for joining this event and watching us. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. ऐसे ही हम न्यू ऑथर्स के साथ आते रहेंगे और उनकी बुक राइटिंग जर्नी के बारे में, उनकी बुक्स के बारे में आप सबके साथ शेयर करते रहेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर जॉइनिंग अस.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.